everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for May 18th through the 24th. And the theme that I'm going to plan with for this week is food. That's even more of a challenge because I don't have any of the recipe sticker books, so I had to get a little creative. For my washi tape, I don't know if the camera is going to focus on this well enough, but these are little pineapples. This is the only kind of food-themed washi tape I had. So I'm going to go ahead and get this laid down. I think that looks really cute. Now I'm going to go with my big quote sticker, and the only thing I could find that was food-related is trust your gut. Get it? Gut, stomach, food, eating. Okay. And then I've got drink the coffee, do the things for my big box sticker. Hello, weekend. If you're new to my channel, obviously you can tell I don't hourly plan, and I don't even really daily plan in this planner. This is kind of like my weekly overview. So I really do this for a creative outlet, and then I create task sections within each day. So the first part of my process here is just having fun and playing with all the stickers. Gotta add some pineapples. There's like a pineapple washi tape. I think that turned out super cute. And I didn't even plan on doing that. And look, I used up a whole sheet. I love it when I do that. Okay. I do need to trim off some of these, but I'll do that at the end. And I love lemons. I'm not going to use up all of these, but I'm going to add a few lemons. I'm really excited to see how this looks after the pen. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, I really appreciate you watching. Bye for now.